Right, so what does $20 a night get you staying in the heart of Hoi An? I'm staying at Bong's house guest house. I can't wait to get inside and give you a tour. So let's begin. Right, here we go, room tour. So, nice big wardrobe on the left. Loads of space to put your stuff. An extra toilet roll in there, which is handy. Let's put some lights on and see what we're working with. Ah, brilliant. Okay, so on the right we have the bathroom. Right, again handy, they provide some flip-flops so your feet don't get wet, which is perfect. Okay, so what have we got? We have got toothbrush, shower gel, shampoo, soap, so that's perfect, that's all you need. Toilet roll, let's test the strength of the bum squirter, it's always interesting. Oh Jesus, okay, so be careful using that. Let's test the shower pressure, let's see what we're working with here. Yeah, pretty decent. Okay, happy days. So nice big mirror. So yeah, everything you need, a nice little guest house stay. So into the main area. I'm already smiling because I can see what I've got, but I'll save the best till last. So we've got a nice sized TV. We've got a little fridge, which again is always handy. So it must be a mini bar because there's Cokes and a couple of branded waters in there, so I won't be touching that. Yeah, so this looks really good. So let's give you a quick spin in the bedroom. Right, I'll tell you what, I am well impressed with the size of this bed. No idea why there's a random chair at the end, but I suppose it's quite handy to put some stuff on. We've got a side table with a kettle and two glasses, the TV remote, the AC remote. We've got a fan up here, some loads of plug adapters out on the edge of the bed, so that's really good. Some lights here, which is perfect, that gets it all lit up lovely. We have a nice little window looking out on what looks like is about to be a lot of rain. So yeah, but that's nice having that little window there next to the bed. So yeah, we'll do the bed test. Oh, quickly, the artwork. Quite like that artwork actually, that's quite smart. See, that's a bit more of me, but you've probably learned throughout the last few videos, it's obviously subjective to the person, but I quite like that. So let's do the bed test. Oh, okay. It's a little bit softer than I thought it was going to be. These are quite funky pillows. Okay. Oh, right. So it's a little bit soft. It's not horrendously soft, but we are leaning more on the side of soft than I would like. But I will give this, again, 10 being concrete, 0 being a cloud. This is a 5.8, 5.9 for softness. Let's test the pillows. Okay, the pillows are perfect, they're great. Not too hard, not too soft. So yeah, pretty happy with the bed. Again, I prefer it a little bit firmer, but again, everybody's different, aren't they? So we've obviously got 2 towels, which is brilliant. But now for the part that I've been waiting for, and I cannot wait to get out there. It would just be typical that it rains today as well, but I have got a balcony. Wow, I love a balcony. You don't normally get balconies when you're trying to budget travel because, like I say, you're normally just staying in pretty cheap places. But I wanted this place to be really central to Hoi An so I could explore easily and just show you what there is to do in the area. But this is perfect. I mean, that's where the other chairs obviously come from. So we've got a table and chair there, loads of lovely plants to give you that little bit more of a privacy aspect. Worried my phone will blow off, it's a little bit windy. But downstairs there's loads of restaurants, there's loads going on, so this is a great spot to just sit and people watch. I absolutely love it. For me, this is 10 out of 10 to have the balcony, so this is such a bonus. So I'm on the 2nd floor, so I've actually got the biggest balcony. So up there's another balcony, but that's tiny, so yeah, I'm glad I got this room. So that concludes the tour. So I'm super happy with what I've seen so far. Again, for the price I'm paying, it's a little bit more expensive than some of the places in Vietnam, but I did want to be as central as possible, and literally we're talking like a minute and you're right by the river, you're right in the center. So I'm going to go and explore, and I'm going to put together the walkthrough from the outside into this room so you can see it's literally just up some stairs and through the reception area, so you can check that out. Then I'll show you what I've been up to tomorrow and give you more. Worried the phone's going to blow off. So I'll go and explore and enjoy her. Oh Jesus, that's wobbling. Please don't blow over. Tomorrow we'll come back and I'll give you a review of the room and how I've slept and the rating. So yeah, we'll see you in the morning. Right, I was going to give you a walkthrough of the guest house, but there's not much point really. It's literally just an entrance to reception and then some stairs up to my room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how central we are in Hoi An. So I'm going to walk you to the night market, which literally isn't far at all, and then I'll walk you down to the main bridge by the river, so you can see how close we are and how central we are to everything. Well, good morning from the centre of Hoi An. How did I sleep, you ask? Well, I'm glad you did ask. Oh my god, so cringe. Right, yeah, I slept amazing, to be fair. The mattress is a little bit softer than I would like, but I still got a really good night's sleep. Considering we're right next to a really busy street, I literally heard nothing. I think everything sort of shuts off about 11 o'clock, so it gets really quiet, and yeah, super happy, and I think this stay is well worth it. Again, I booked this mainly because of the location. So I paid a little bit more than normal because there is a lot of other options that are cheaper, but not in this location. And like I just showed you in the walkthrough, you're so close to everything, which I think it's just well worth booking. It saves you getting grab taxis everywhere and just coming into the centre, because this is where you're going to be most likely drawn into, because everything is going on in the centre. So yeah, an absolute bonus to be here in this location. So I'm just going to get straight into the rating, because you've seen what there is, you've seen the location. So I'm going to give this an 8.9 out of 10. I think it's brilliant value. Okay, $20 is a little bit more expensive than some of the other places in Vietnam that I've been, but I don't think you can argue that this is probably the most beautiful town in the whole of Vietnam. Well, personally, that's what I believe and what I've seen in Vietnam so far. It's just absolutely stunning. Your camera is out all the time taking photos and videos, and there's so much going on in terms of like things to just sit back and watch and like take it all in. Right, so what I'll do now is I'll take you through my time here and what I've been up to and any extra little tips worth noticing. So my biggest advice whilst here is just to walk around. It is such an interesting place to just wander and get lost in, and that's basically what I did yesterday. So I walked around, I took loads of videos because it's just so beautiful. And again, what I'll do is I'll overlay a lot of the videos from yesterday here. So I just spent probably 3 hours walking around and stopping in different cafes and different restaurants, having snacks and things like this. Unfortunately, it did start to rain yesterday, but again, it's not a bad place to be stuck in the rain, because you can just sit in the cafe and watch it all unfold, to be fair, and that's exactly what I did. So firstly, I went and got a banh mi, because they're my favourite here. I know I seem to have them every single day, but I do love them. So again, I went on Google reviews and I found the best rated one I could find. That wasn't too far from me, so I'll link that in the video, so you can go there if you want to check it out. And just walked around by the river and just absolutely enjoyed taking it all in. But this place becomes even more beautiful at night time when it's all lit up. So again, I managed to get out at night time and just get some videos for you and show you what it's like, and it is just going to blow your mind, especially around sunset. Probably one of the most beautiful scenes I've ever seen, in all fairness. It's absolutely stunning. So again, like I say, I got stuck in the rain, so I popped into a cafe and got a smoothie, which I'll link the location of that place as well, so you can check that out if you want to. And to be honest, I know it sounds crazy because I'm in Hoi An, but I decided to come back and order takeaway just because I wanted to sit on my balcony and make the most of having it, because it's quite rare to get a balcony when you're budget traveling, and I absolutely love just chilling out. So I did order in, and yes, you can guess what I ordered, but I did get a steamed bun actually, so that was a little bit different. But yeah, absolutely loved chilling out on the balcony. So yeah, it wasn't too late of a night, so got up and decided to go for a walk. It was super quiet in the morning, so if you want to get out when it's not so busy, if you get up about 7, 8 a.m. before it gets going, it's quite nice just to wander around where there's not so many people, because it does get really busy here, I have to be honest, especially in the centre. But again, you can see why. It's an absolute gem of a place, and it's obviously going to draw in thousands of people. So yeah, if you're not a massive fan of crowds, then maybe it's not the place for you, because it will get really, really busy. But again, in the morning, super quiet, so I found a little cafe and I had a smoothie bowl, and I just sat there for an hour doing some editing and bits and bobs, which was nice. So yeah, that pretty much sums up my little stay here. So I'll call that a wrap, and if you enjoyed this video, please drop me a like and subscribe. But if not, yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in a different video.